in this demonstration how to delete your run command history on Windows computer. First of all, open the run, press keyboard Windows key and R, and here mostly I use these are the commands, easy to open software. Now what I'm going to do, type on the run regedit. This is called registry editor, the short name regedit, and hit enter and expand the current user, expand the software, and there is a Microsoft folder you need to expand, and scroll down, there is a Windows, expand again and expand current version, and scroll down and expand the Explorer, and here you need to find out run MRU, and this is the folder, and as you can see these are the commands I use in my system. So you need to delete except the default. Alright, so what I'm going to do, select all the commands, okay, then right click and delete and confirm. Now all the commands history is deleted from the registry editor. Okay, so let's go back to open run again, and now there is no command history. And also other way we can delete run command history, easy way. I will show you the shortcut. I'm going to enter two more commands. This is the control panel command, and next control printers, and this is printers open command. Here refresh, and here you can see two run command updated here. When you open first time registry editor, the folder will be like this. Okay, so press on the keyboard Control and F, you will get the small finder box. Here you need to type run MRU and click on find next. Then now the registry editor is find. This is easy way, so two way you need to understand, that's why I show you the two options. And then you need to delete except default, then I'm going to right click and delete and confirm. Now again go back to run. Now as you can see all the run command history is deleted. Dear all viewers, if you like this video, please do comments in my channel, and thank you for watching this video. Like and share, subscribe the YouTube channel. See you in the next video.